Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna open up one display box of Digimon card game Across Time BT12. And well, let's see what we can get. I'm hoping for the new Shoutmon X7 card, I think it's called. So yeah, let's hope for the best and let's see what we can get. And here we are. This is the display box, and I hope that I can get some good cards out of it. So let's open it up carefully, of course. Yeah. And as usual, I'm gonna use my scissors to open up the packs. In this box, we are gonna get 2 promo packs. I can do it like this. So let's display. Do it like they do it in the shops, so you can see everything. So we have 2 promotion packs. So first I'm gonna open up this box promotion pack, and I hope we can get something good out of it. There's some cards I want and I need, so let's have a look and hope for the best. Alright, we have Omni Shoutmon. Nice! I like this card. I need this card. That's good. Alright, let's move on to the next limited card pack. So I hope for the Impmon or the Hakmon. That would be awesome. And it says not for sale, so let's hope for the best. Okay. First, we have Willkommen. And the next one is Pulsemon. Okay, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna take it. That's good. That's good. Okay, those are my promo cards. Let's move on to the first pack, and I'm gonna start with the right side. Let's go. Alright. Let's hope for the best. I hope I can get some cards I need, so let's see what I can get. We're gonna start off with Mermaidmon. Then we have Home Run Blast, Betsumon, Yaziamon, Growlmon. I love this artwork. Dobemon. Then we have Footmon, the football player, or the soccer player for the Americans. Dracomon, Dracmon, Monimon, Lampmon. Then we have Takuya Kanbara, and we have an Ancient Wisemon. Alrighty, let's move on to the next pack, and let's see what we can get out of it. Alrighty, we have Cameramon, Potatomon, or Potemon, Flamemon, Laplace Demon, Great Maelstrom, Jokermon, Omni Shoutmon, Lanamon, Wormmon, Gumdramon, nice, Shining Blast, and we have Imperial Demon Fighter Mode, our first super rare. Nice. The first super rare, Imperial Demon. Alright, let's move on to the next pack. Alright, we have Mikemon or Mikemon. Then we have Sagomon, Geckomon. Shoutmon. Nice. I love this artwork. Looks so cool. Yeah! Burgermon. Mercurymon. Metal Life Kuwagamon. Looks really, really cool. I like this one. Chet Murbermon. Airo Suzaki. Torikawa Balmon. Or Ballmon. Final Crossblade. Yeah, you are the one I need. I need you. I need Shoutmon X7 Superior Mode. So give it to me, please. Then we have the Watchmaker. Please be in this box. I need you. For my deck. At least once. But I think I will need you twice. Alright. Let's move on with Wizardmon X Antibody. And I love this guy. He looks so cool. I love Wizardmon. Agumon. Let's move on to Spiking Strike. Then we have Pillowmon. Gilmon. Ebi Burgermon. Otamamon. Yu Amano. Shogun Geckomon. Then we have Ryoma Mogami. We got a Shining Blast. And Tagiru Akashi. Alright. Let's move on. The next pack. Zenimon. Impmon X Antibody. Nice. Flamemon. Yaziamon. Chimeramon. Home Run Blast. Tubamon. Kozenimon. Burning Greymon. Oh, sorry. Astamon. Clockmon. He's a clock, he's a mon, he's a clockmon. And we have Quasmon. He looks like a UFO. A UFO. Alright, let's move on. Alrighty. Let's see what we can get. We have Pyro Dragons. Agumon. Jogamon. Spiking Strike. Chujumon. Agumon. Swimmon. Dragmon. Demivimon. Nice. Lampmon. Then we have Imperial Dragon Mode. And we have a Metal Greymon. Nice. Next pack. Omni Shoutmon. Mercurymon. Sagomon. Yagamon. Growlmon. Wisemon. Burgermon. Arrestodamon. Nice. Like this card. Ekakimon. Agunimon. Then we have Balmon X Antibody. Nice. And we have an Emperor Greymon. The next super rare card. Emperor Greymon. Nice. Nice. Let's move on with the next pack. Get ready for the next pack. Alrighty. Let's see. Cho Hakaimon. Vmon. Laplace Demon. Greymon. Potemon. Mermaidmon. Gokumon. Yeah, it's Goku. Stingmon. Koromon. A Lunamon. Lanamon, sorry, it's Lanamon. Then we have an Ancient Mermaidmon. She's ancient. And we have a Super Eradication Attack. I love this artwork. Looks so sick. Next pack. We have Dobermon, Ganimon, Geogreymon, Metal Life Kuwagamon, Great Maelstrom, Shoutmon, yeah! Footmon, Psychmon, Shoutmon King version, nice. Sephirothmon, then we have a Wargrowmon, and a Shine Greymon, super rare. Nice. Well, let's save this boy up. Alrighty, let's move on to the next pack. So we have Yakimon, Wizardmon X Antibody, Betsumon, Geckomon, Mikemon, Abby Burgermon, Pilomon, Digimon or Gigimon, 7 Full Cluster, XVmon, Peodramon, and we have Ulfor Sweetramon X Antibody. Holy guacamole, he looks sick. Ooh, dude. He looks so sick. Nice. I love those X Antibody cards. They all look so sick. They all look so incredibly sick. Okay. 2 packs left. 2 packs left. Let's move on. Next pack. Hope for the best. We have a Nympmon, X Antibody, and a Gilmon. Otamamon, Zenimon, Chimeramon, Raymon, Zagomon, Monimon, Rentobari, Opossumon, Barmon X Antibody, nice. And we have Taiki Kudo. Awesome. Alright, the last pack of the right side. Can we get something special? Well, I hope so. Hope for the best. Alrighty, we have Choo Choo Mon, Dobermon, Yakimon, Pyro Dragons, Great Maelstrom, Home Run Blast, Betsumon, Damimon, Wormmon, Gumdramon, nice. Then we have Aldamon and Chaosdramon X Antibody. Holy guacamole! So sick. They're so sick. I love those X Antibody cards. So sick. Nice. Alright. So let's move on to the left side. That should be easier. So we're halfway through. So let's hope for the best. We have an only Shopmon. Yazamon. Geckomon and Jokomon. Oh, come on. Shotmon! Yeah! Laplace Demon. So cringe. Spiking Strike. Kakimon. Shotmon King version. Nice. Stingmon. Gypped Particle Cannon. And Takato. Or Takatomon. Everyone calls him Mon, so let's call him a Mon. Yup. Nice. Alright, we have Geogramon. Or Geogramon. Swimmon. Mike or Mikemon. Agumon. Wizardmon X Antibody. Mercurymon. Hotemon. Gomamon. Arrestadramon. Nice. Shogun Geckomon. Clockmon. And a Dinobimon. Nice, nice, nice. Let's move on with the next pack. Let's see what we can get. What we are able to get. We have a Flamemon. Ganimon. So, that's better. Agumon. Weemon. Metal Life Kubagamon. Tuwamon. Gokumon. Opossumon. Kozenimon. Psychmon. Ancient Mermaidmon. And Arrestadramon Superior Mode Alternate Art. What? Nice. I like this one. Whew. Whew. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Yes, nice. Okay. Awesome. Don't know what to say about that. But yeah. Alright, we have Wisemon. Mermaidmon. A Footmon. Growlmon. Burgermon. Chohakaimon. Yagamon. Airu Suzaki. Torikara Ballmon. XVmon. Marcus Damon. And Taikamiya. So there's no secret rare so far. Only an old art. Old arts are cool. I need my Shoutmon X7 Superior Mode, please. At least one. At least one. I need one at least. Hitmon X Antibody. Gilmon. Zenimon. AB Burgermon. Otamamon. Pilomon. Laplace Demon. 7-4 Cluster. Sephirothmon. Digimon. Then we have a Wee Laser. And Ancient Pointsmon. Wee. Laser attack. Skadoosh. Alright. We have a Guomon. Yakimon. Vmon. Flamemon. Zagomon. Yagamon. Betsumon, Ren Tobari, Chet Mervamon, You Amano, Metagraymon, and Dinobimon. Where are you, Shoutmon X7? Superior mode. Where are you, my boy? I need you. Come on. Show up. Show yourself. Let me see where you are. It's Antibody, Wizardmon, Home Run Blast, Burgermon, Tubamon, Calmeramon, Geogreymon, Footmon, Astamon, Demivimon, Burning Greymon, Taikamiya, and Arrestodamon Superior Mode, Regular Art. So now we have both of them, and now we can compare them to each other. So this is normal art, this is old art. Looks really, really cool. Nice. Nice. Alright, let's move on with the next pack. Where's Shoutmon? Come on. Give me my Shoutmon. I need Shoutmon. Shoutmon, where are you? Pyro Dragons, Potemon, Wisemon, Greymon, Mermaidmon, Cho Hakaimon, Choo-Choo-Mon, Damemon, Ryoma Mogami, Agunimon, Super Eradication Attack, and Tagiru Akashi. Nice. Next pack. After this, there are only 3 left, so. Come on, Shoutmon, show yourself. Please, show yourself. Alright, we have Metal Life Kuwagamon, Omni Shoutmon, Mercurymon, Gekomon, Gokumon, Dobamon, Yaziamon, Dragmon, Monimon, Lampmon. We have a final cross blade. Give me that superior mode. And we have Gallopmon old art. Oh, that means I don't get my superior mode. But I have another old art. And this time it's Gallopmon. Oh, those are empty. Let's move on to the next pack. Give me a sleep for this bad boy. Alrighty. The next old art card. Nice. But no superior mode. Dang it. I think my hope is gone for my superior mode. So we have Agumon, Shoutmon, Great Maelstrom, Ganimon, Spiking Strike, Agumon, Jokermon, Lanamon, Wormmon, Gumdramon, Watchmaker, and Taiki Kudo. Alright, the last 2 packs. The last 2 packs. Alrighty. Mikemon or Mikemon. Not sure about that. Whoop. Swimmon. Keep on swimming. Zenimon. Pillowmon. So cute. Abby Burgermon. Ipmon X Antibody. Gilmon, Chet Merbermon, nice. Airu Suzaki, Tori Karabalmon, we have a Grand Kubagamon, nice. Card I wanted, so yeah, that's good. And a Pale Dramon, Alrighty, last pack. Can we get my superior mode? It would be incredibly awesome, but I don't think that I have the luck to get it, so let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Come on. Alright. No rush, no rush. Otamamon. Bergamon. Now I'm getting hungry. Mermaidmon. She's cute too. Shoutmon. Ooh, yeah! Okay. Sagamon. Potemon. Yeah, but it was my idea, so. Dobemon. Can't complain. You are Mano. Shogun Gekkomon. Ryoma Mogami. Then we have a Davis Motomiya, and the last card is a Aldamon. No superior mode for me. That's sad, but yeah. Sad but true, but yeah, we got 2 old arts. That's okay. And yeah. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will enjoy the videos in the future. So yeah, let's hope for the best for all of us. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys, I hope, in the next video. So thanks and bye.